This was the day, 10/9/2024, I-39, exit 54. Just leaving the Loves on exit 54, Owensby, Illinois. And as you can see, I'm gaining speed. I'm up to 41, getting on the interstate. And watch what happens here. Like I said, I'm gaining now 49, 50. And you can see my far left mirror, you'll see a Love's truck. He was just delivering at the one in Owensby. He went to the one on I-80. But watch what he does here. I am doing 62, 63. My top speed is 70. I'm doing 67. And here he comes. You can see him right there. 69. And that's the Love's truck. He delivers to the stores. And watch what he does. I'm doing 71. Like I said, this is I-39 North, mile marker 56, 57, something like that. I'm doing 71 miles an hour. 70. And watch what the Loves does. Boom. 34 feet in front of my grill. I'm doing 69, 71 miles an hour, and he just cuts me off. Good job, Loves. Good job. Way to treat and train your drivers.